What if middle school and high school students could build their future before graduation? Through our partnership with Arizona State University, students now have access to college pathways designed for the future. Students can explore pathways in cybersecurity, engineering, and artificial intelligence while still in middle and high school. Students gain hands-on experience with real-world technology systems, networking, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. From robotics and automation to advanced engineering design, students learn by building, creating, and solving problems. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world around us, and here at SSA, our students will be prepared to lead in that future. At Sonoran Science Academy, we believe college begins here and careers begin now.